Hi, hello guys. In this video, we are going to learn about list comprehension and some built-in functions associated with the list. After that, we are going to learn about tuples and its built-in functions. So, yeah, without any delay, let's start with list comprehension. Okay, okay. Uh, First of all, we discuss about list comprehension. List comprehension means nothing but it is a sequence of values stored inside a list based on a condition. Okay, those if few numbers are considered as sequence, then there will be a common statement for it. Like I mean, common statement means that those all numbers meet a uh, base condition. Okay, there will be a condition that is satisfied by all these value like that. Okay, done. After that, list comprehension. Okay, we directly saw it with the example. Okay, basically the list comprehension means nothing but it's a simple way of creating sequence of element that satisfy a certain condition. Okay, first of all we okay, now we are going to learn about list, sorry, list comprehensions. Okay, okay. I think so. We don't want to write its definition. Okay, you just understand. List comprehension is a simple way of creating sequence of elements that satisfy a certain condition. That's it. Okay, okay. For example, first we will create uh, a list sequence of square values from 1 to 10, 1 to 10. Okay, sorry. Yeah. First we create a list of square values from 1 to 10. For that, we just name it as my list. Okay, my list equal to then square bracket, which indicates data type is list. Okay, and then x double star 2, which means power of 2. Okay, square means power of 2 is same as square. Okay, generally we use power of 2 for square. Okay, then uh, for sorry, for x in range, here we are assigning the range of x 1 comma 11, because the last value in range is, I mean n value in range is considered as n minus 1. So if you want to get n inputs, I mean n values, then you need to give it as n plus 1. If we need values till 10, then we have to include till 11. Okay, okay. Now let's print it. I hope the screen is visible. Audio is, yeah, here. Yeah, okay. Everything fine. Okay. Then print my list. Okay. Done. Now the list will be created. Control plus yes and F5. Let's move to the output screen. Yeah, till 1 to 100. I mean 1 4, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, 6 is 636, 4 7 49, 4 8 64, 4 9 81, 4 10 it's 100. Okay, this is basic of list comprehension. Let's see few more examples. Um, we can also store Boolean values for this. Like in this scenario, we given, I mean, we stored x double square, I mean, x to the power of 2. Okay, just a minute, I will switch the screen. Sorry. Yeah, okay. See, in this scenario, my list equal to x double star 2, which means the square of x is scored. I mean, sorry, this square of x is stored in the my list. Okay. Instead of this, if we give a condition, then its value, which is true or false, will be stored in the list. For example, my list equal to x percentage of 2 double equal to 0 for x in range 1 comma 11, same. Okay, that's it. Then print, sorry, we already named one list as my list, so we will name it as see here, we are storing even. Okay, let's name it as even. This one we change it as square. Okay, done. Done. Okay, this is even. Okay, fine. Okay, I hope you can understand these things well. Yeah, it's okay, everything fine. Okay, control plus yes and F5. Let's see the output. You can see false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. Here you can see that for odd numbers it is false, and for even numbers it is true, because we given the condition as per that. Okay, see here, x percentage of 2 double equal to 0, which means 1 percentage of 2 is not equal to 0, so it doesn't satisfy the given condition, so it is stored as false. And then for 2 percentage of 2 double equal to 0, it's true, so its a boolean value is stored in the list. Okay, I hope you can understand these things. If we want to store value, then the condition should be given at back. Okay, see, just a minute. First I will show the output for this. Okay, you can, okay, we already see this output. Okay, let's change the code. Just a minute. Yeah, okay. If you want to store the values, then you can change like this. Just a minute, I will comment this. This is for um, boolean value. Okay, here real values, so even equal to, which means x. Okay, we are storing values of x with ranges for x in range 1 comma, sorry, 1 comma 11, sorry. Okay, if here first we need to write what value we are going to store in the list. Okay, at first we write x double square, I mean double star 2. The next condition, x percentage 2 double equal to 0. These values are stored in the list. Okay, which means values based on these expressions are stored in the list. So here we are storing the values of x and then its range, and then we are going to give the condition if x percentage 2 double equal to 0, which means even number, are going to store in the list. That's it. We can save this and run this. You can see the output. Let's move to the output screen. See, now you can see all the even numbers till 10 is stored. Okay, we can also do this same for odd numbers. For that, just change the condition is enough, like odd equal to x for x in range 1 comma 11. Just close this. Okay, give x percentage 2 not equal to 0. That's it. Print, sorry, print odd. Okay, control plus yes and f, sorry, space. Okay, control plus yes and f5. Let's move to the output screen. See, now all odd numbers are stored inside the list. This is the thing, and also we can print the integral multiple of a specific digit. Like for example, the integral multiple of 5 is the result of 5 table like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 like that. Let create a list of integral multiple of 5. Uh, okay, okay, till value 100. Okay, okay, multiple of 5 equal to uh, x for x in range 1 comma 101 because we are accessing till value 100, so we need to use 101. Okay, if x percentage 5. Okay, if we want to access the integral multiple of a specific value, we need to perform a modulo operation with that number. Here, while typing, we are saying it as percentage, but its mathematical name is modulo. Here we are, I mean, those here we are doing a perform yeah, thing that is to get the remainder of that particular operation. Okay, if we use a slash, it is division, that will give the quadrant. Here, this modular operand will gives the value of remainder. Okay, if the remainder is 0 for a number, then it will be its integral multiple. Okay, so 0, then print mul underscore 5, sorry, underscore of underscore 5. Done. Control plus yes and F5. Let's move to the output screen. See this case here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 till 100. Okay, all the integral multiples of 5 is printed till 100. This is the way how to print the integral multiples of a particular value. Okay, till now we saw how to create a list comprehension. How does we can create it for even numbers and odd numbers and for Boolean values. After that, we saw on how to find the integral multiples of a particular digit. Okay, now we are going to see about built-in functions associated with it. Okay, let's back to the coding. Just a minute. Yeah, first of all, I will come on this list comprehension topic is over with this part. It's easy. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Okay. Yeah. Here we are going to see about built-in functions associated with list. Okay. See, first built-in function we here we are going to discuss about copy function. It is used to get a copy of a value. Okay. It is used to get a copy of values. Okay. Okay. Done. Which is nothing but if we created a list like my list equal to 12 comma 12 comma 1, then if you assign it to another variable like x equal to my list, then if you change the x variable, which means like x is also contain these three elements. If you try to change any one of its variable, then my list will be also changed. For example, x equal, sorry, I mean x of 0. Let access its 0th index, I mean first value. Okay, x of 0 equal to, like, let it as 100. Then if we print double quotes x, which is help to defer, which is x and which is my list. Okay, here we are printing x. After that, we are printing my list. Okay. Uh, okay. Yeah. Okay, control plus yes and F5. Let's move to the output screen. See, here you can see X and my list. Let's print it before value also. Let's see. After change, X equal to, after change, sorry, my list equal to, then we need to improve, we just print it before change. Okay, print double quotes before change X equal to X. Okay, print double quotes. Done. Control plus yes and F5. See, sorry, miss a minute. Yeah, let's move to the output screen. See, here you can see before change X equal to 12, 12 and 1. Before change my list equal to 12, 12, 1. And after change here we are changing only the X value, not the Y's. Sorry, I mean not the my list, but it is directly changing because these two variables are linked with the same memory location. Okay, so it will change that value also whenever if he required a set of duplicate values. I mean we need the value, but we are storing it on a variable, but these two variables are we need to access separately. If we change one, it doesn't affect one, then we need to use copy function to store the value. See here, in this case, use of copy function is before this we can do like this. See, this is before copy function. Like in this case here, the second line x equal to my list dot copy. That's it. You can understand all these all these things with this one line. Control plus yes and dfi. If you see the output, you can find the change. See here. Here x value equal to 12, 12, 1 and my list equal to 12, 12, 1. See, after change x equal to 100, 12, 1. We are changing the x value. See, my list is not affected. Okay, this is the difference between directly assigning values to the another variable uh, and also the difference between using copy function. Copy will helps us to maintain the separate data values. Okay, uh, this will send the copy of values, not share the same memory location. So changing one variable um values through one variable doesn't affect the another variable. Okay, this is the use of copy function. Okay, this is the difference between copy function and normal assign. Okay, let's again go through this. If we doesn't use copy function, if we directly assign the value, when we try to change any one list, it will affect the other list also. If we want to maintain these two lists separately, we just need a copy of a values only. Then we can use copy function. It will copy the values to the other variable and create the new list. If we change one list, it doesn't affect the values of other list. That's you are seeing in this output screen. Okay, now the copy function is also over. Okay guys, yeah, now let's continue. Okay, just a minute, I will switch the screen. Okay, and then now we are going to see about count function. Okay, after that index, reverse, short. um okay, that's it. We are left with one, two, three, four functions only. Okay, we will cover those things. After that, we will move with tuples. Okay, most probably we will cover the basics of tuples. Okay, after that, uh, we will discuss more detailedly about tuples in the next class, maybe if we have time. Then we will complete each and every topics about tuple in this class. Otherwise, we will see about those things in the next class. Okay, basics will be covered, then more programming questions will be um, discussed in the next class. After that, we will see about set, which is one of the most important topic. Okay, this is such an unique topic. After that, dictionaries. That is also very important topic. If you understand this dictionaries, it will be lot useful. And then this section, I mean, this bunch of sections will be over at that point. After that, we will move with classes. Okay, which is the most important topic. Okay, we are nearly reaching. Okay, just a minute. There is a little bit network issue. Okay, now we are going to see about count function, which is nothing but, first of all, I will comment these things. Okay, yeah. We are going to see about count function. It used to return the count of which means I mean frequency or count, whatever it may be. Um, Similar element present in the list. Okay, returns the um, count of similar elements present in a list. Okay, let's create a list like my list equal to a list which means like 12 comma 12 comma 5 comma 89 comma let's one more 12. Okay, if we need to print the count of values, we just need to, what we need to do is, let's store it in a one more variable. Let name it as x equal to my list dot count of 12. Then it will store the value of 3. Okay, it will store the value of 3. If we print it, then its value will be printed. Print x control plus yes and F5. You can see here 3 is printed. Okay, which is nothing but the number of times 12 present in the my list. Okay, this is a simple thing. Don't need to, want to spend more times on this topic, which is nothing but just print the if for example, if we in this case my list contains 12 12 5 89 12. Count 12 means number of times 12 is present in the my list, which is 3, that is shown in the output. Okay, I hope you understand these things. Next thing is index. See, in this case, we if we give the element, it will return the number of times. Index case nothing but index returns the index values of the first requiring element. Okay. Okay, I will first comment this. Yeah. See, index function returns the index of sorry. Okay. Index functions returns the index of first requiring element. Okay, which means uh, okay, just a minute. Okay, which is nothing but the previous case you can see 12 is presented three times. If we do this index function for 12, then it will return 0 because 12 is when it is present at the first thing, like it is present in 0th location, first location, and then fourth location. In this scenario, which is the first thing 0. Okay, so it will print the 0th index. Let's see, my list equal to square bracket 12 comma 12 comma 5 comma 89. Let's close this, and then x equal to my list dot index of 12. If we print x, control plus yes and F5, then it will show 0. Okay, see, in this case we got a 0 as output, which is nothing but the 0th index, that is 12 present at the 0th index location. Okay, this is shown in this index value. Index is nothing but it will print the index of the given number. Let's check what happen if number is not present. Okay, for example, if we given 1 100 plus yes and AFI, it will show -1. Sorry, let's see. Okay, it will show the value error. In some cases, -1 will be displayed. Sorry, in this scenario, 1 is not in the list. Okay, this is an value error because it is we are giving in the input. If it doesn't match the condition, then only -1 is printed in some case. In some cases, in this scenario, value error is displayed. Okay, okay. um, in the previous case also this will be same. Okay, now you can understand if we give given a value which doesn't present in the list, if we try to print it index value, then it will lead to value error. Okay, that's I hope you all can understand these things. Okay, this must is enough for this function. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, okay. Hmm, just a minute, guys. Okay, let's move back to the coding. First I will comment this, and then we will continue with the next topic. One more. Yeah. Now the next thing is reverse, which is nothing but just to print the reverse of the string. Sorry, reverse of the list. Okay, reverse function um, changes the list to its reverse value. Like it will alter the original list. Okay, see, my list equal to, like, not my list. Let's create we can all that in all these cases we are creating only with integer digits. Now let's create a list named fruits. Sorry. Okay. Now in this scenario, we will create a list named fruits and stored its name in string data type, and then let's reverse it. Okay. Like okay, let's just go with month also. Okay. Okay, like whatever, like name. Okay, just we go with name. Okay, name Ram, like Ravi. Here, why I am using name is first I thought to use fruits or months, but here in this case you can see uh, how does if we have simple use like this. Okay, Ram, Ravi, Mohan. Not in this one, but probably next one. Okay, it will use for short. So if I use same values, it will be more easy for me like that. Okay, that only I choose this example. Like my list dot reverse. Okay, then print my list. Usually we will let x equal to like this x equal to my list dot reverse. But it is in this case it will be not like that. If you written like this, that will be mistake because reverse function will entirely change the existing list to its reverse. Okay, control plus yes and F5. Sorry, not my list. It is name. Control plus yes and F5. See Ram Ravi Mohan in the output. Mohan Ravi Ram. Okay. Now it's reverses printed in the output. This is the uh, use of reverse function. It helps to reverse the values in the list. Usually, in the previous cases, to find the index or whatever index count like those things, we usually use x equal to my list dot index, and then inside these inside those braces we will give the value. But in this scenario, we will only use my list dot reverse, not x equal to my list dot reverse, which is completely wrong because a reverse function will change the list with it reverse value. Okay, that's it. Done. I hope you can understand these things. Now let's move to the coding part. Sorry, just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, done. Okay. Uh, Now only the screen is working. Yeah, done. Now we are going to see about short function, which is used to start, which is arrange. It is used to sort values, which is nothing but sorting means arranging the values. Okay, that is sorting. Nothing apart from that. Okay, sorting means arranging the values. Okay, nothing apart from that. Sorry. Uh, Short function is used to sort the values. Short means nothing but to arrange the values according to like if we let's see the example. It's nothing but just to arrange the values. Okay. Let's back to the coding. See, like numbers equal to uh, like uh, 2 comma 4 comma 3 comma 5 comma 1 just change just 3 and 4. Okay, 3 comma 4. Okay, now here sorry, now here the given number list is not in any order wise. Okay, it was just in random number wise. 2 make it in a correct order, which means to make it in to sort this, we use sort function. Okay, now if we perform sort function, then it will change the result to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it will alter the given list and make it change. Okay, okay, and also it will um, change the directly same as reverse number dot short, then print number. Now it will print control plus yes and F5. Let's see the output. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It was in a particular order. Okay, or you got that? This is the way how to uh, do this. Okay. And also not only integer, sorry, and also not only integer, we can also handle string, and not only in ascending order, we can also arrange it on descending order. Like for that, we use inside of short, we use reverse equal to 2. If we want to arrange it on reverse, then reverse equal to true. T should be capital, control plus yes and F5. Let's see the output. Now you can see 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, this is the order how it how to arrange this. Okay, this is the order to arrange. We can arrange in ascending order or descending order, whatever. If you want to arrange in descending order, then we need to use reverse equal to 2 inside short function. We can also handle a string, like for example name equal to same as previous Ram, Ravi, Mohan. Done. Okay. Now name dot short. Okay. Control and then print name. Control plus is on the F5. Now you can see the output. See this. Mohan, Ram, Ravi. If characters are similar, then it will go with the next character. Like for Ram and Ravi, both contains R and A. So M comes before V. So Ram is printed first, Ravi is printed at last. Okay. Okay. Done. This is how it will work, and also we can use it for reverse. Then it will become Ravi Ram Mohan. Okay, this is the way to handle both integer and string. Okay, same for any data type. This is the way to handle. Okay, let's few more functions are left. Let's see those functions more detailedly. And let's after that we will practice some um, functions, some coding problems. Okay, and then we will move with the tuples in next class. I try to cover in this class. If can't able to cover in this class, then we will see about tuples on next class. Okay, okay, let's move back to the coding. Just a minute. Yeah, none. Okay, first I will comment this. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, there is a few more functions like max. It is used to find the maximum value in the list. Okay, returns. Okay, returns the maximum value in the list, like my list equal to like 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 4 comma 3, like this. If we print, if we want to find the maximum number in the given list, then we can use max function. Okay, sorry. Okay, print max of my list, then it will print it. Okay, control plus yes and F5. Let's move back to the output. You can see maximum value is 5. It is printed. Okay, same for min, which is used to find minimum value. Let's comment this. It returns the minimum value. Okay, my list equal to um, like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Print min of my list. Control plus S and F5. Let's see the output. Now you can see it is printed as 1. Okay, I hope sorry. Okay, I hope you clear with these two topics. Now same some function can also use it with it, like to find the summation of all values. Sorry, yeah, some function returns the sum of all values. Okay, my list equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Print sum of my list. Control plus yes and F5. Let's move back to the output. See, now it is printed as 15. Okay, the output value is 15. Some function can used with any data type to find its summation. Okay, it will return the summation, sum of all values present in the list. In this case, okay, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 5 15. Okay, I hope you all clear with this. Okay, done. Yeah, okay. Now I think so all topics in list is over. Now let's go with the tuples. Okay, let's move back to the coding part. I will comment this lines. Okay, let's move with the tuples. Tuples. Okay, tuples is also similar to list, but the only thing is list is mutable, which means we can change the values, but tuple is immutable. And then the syntax difference between these two data types is in list we use a square bracket, but in this case we use normal parenthesis like this. Okay, like my uh, tuple equal to this bracket, like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, like this. We can print and see the type of my tuple. Okay, done. Control plus yes and dfi. Let's see the output. See, class tuple. Okay, this is the way to assign tuple. Okay, this is a way to create a tuple. Okay, um, this is immutable, which means in previous scenarios we try to change the values of tuple, like I mean values of list. It will allowed. We can perform the operation like without using copy function. Also, we use copy function, and then we use to change with the zeroth index to value of 100 in this section itself. Like, but in this tuples, it is not possible. Tuple doesn't allow us to change the values. Like, for example, my tuple equal to, sorry, my tuple of 0 equal to 10. Like in this previous case of list, we used like this and change the values of 0th index. But in this case with tuple, it doesn't work because tuple is immutable. We can't able to change the values of tuple. Okay, control plus yes and fi. Let's see the output. It will show error. See, it shows type error because tuple object does not support item assignment. We can't able to assign a value to the tuple. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, nothing apart from this. This much is enough to understand what is tuple. Okay, okay. Uh, and also now we will discuss about the difference between tuples and list, which is okay. Let's comment this. Okay, let's compare list and tuple. Okay, comparison between list and tuple. Like um, list is first one is list is mutable and list is immutable. Okay, okay. First one is, let's comment this. List is mutable. Okay, which means, okay, which means the elements of a list can be changed. Okay, where, whether uh, tuple is immutable. Okay, in second case, which means in second point, um, like um, list is enclosed with square bracket and tuple is again enclosed with parenthesis. Okay, and then third case is uh, like third one is, just a minute. Yeah, third one is iterating tuple is faster than list. Okay. Okay. Iterating tuple is faster than list. When iterating is nothing but just to accessing the values, like my tuple equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then for I in tuple print I, then it will be much more faster compared to list. Okay, if you did this same to list, which will be little bit slower. Okay, iterating elements in tuple is faster than list. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see how to create tuple. Okay, creating tuple. First, we will create empty tuple. Empty tuple is nothing but tuple name equal to just a parenthesis. This is empty tuple, and then okay, uh, tuple with then normally like a normal tuple creation is okay, tuple with n elements, which is tuple name, just a parenthesis, and elements like n1, n2, etc. till what value we want. Like if we created it without a bracket, it is also considered as a tuple. Okay, without this also consider as tuple, like my underscore tuple equal to like 1 comma 2, sorry, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Let's print uh, type of my underscore tuple, then print my tuple. Control plus yes and DFI. Let's see the output. Just a minute, little bit network issue. Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah, class tuple, and then see in this coding case we didn't use any parentheses. Okay, but it is also considered as tuple. We can verify it by class tuple. Okay, I mean type. Okay, we printed the type of tuple. It is shown as class tuple, which means it's a data type is tuple. And also when we try to print it, it print with braces. Okay, this is creating tuple. Okay, this is the way of creating it. Okay, we can also create a tuple with two more ways, like normal by this square, and also we can externally convert it with the tuple function. Okay, like this. Okay, let's back to coding. Okay, I will comment this. Okay, we can create it with the tuple function. Okay, creating with tuple function. Okay, creating with tuple function. Okay, like if we there is an existing list like my list equal to list of 1 comma 2 comma